In response to complaints that rice traders are offering low prices for their produce, the palace encouraged farmers to sell their rice directly to the National Food Authority or NFA. Malacanang urged farmers to approach their local government units or LGUs for assistance in connecting with the NFA. The government also clarified that rice imports are not contributing to the drop in local rice prices. Aside from this, the government plans to purchase trucks that can help farmers transport their rice to the NFA, addressing the transportation issue that has hindered their ability to sell their produce.
Ang problema lang malamang po ng mga farmers natin ay wala pong sasakyan. Pero ayon po sa ating secretary, meron na po tayong ginagawang procuring po ng trucks. At hindi lamang po siguro ngayon kasi ngayon po lang po nagkakaroon ng bidding para po pag nagkaroon na po tayo ng sasakyan ay diretso na po natin yung mga farmers at hindi po sila mahirapan na mabenta ang kanilang palay sa NFA.